Bring it back.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to Love Jhanelle. Today, aside from showing off all of my tiger stripes, I am going to be showing you how to DIY your own African waist beads. So I use these waist beads to help track my weight. As most of us know, on our fat loss, weight loss journey, the scale is not very reliable. So this is another way to see the progress you are making to help keep you motivated on this journey. So I chose Walmart to gather all of my supplies. I thought that would be the easiest option for most of us. Most of us have access to a Walmart. So in the craft and sewing section in Walmart, you can find some beads and jewelry making things. There are a few different waist beads you can make, but the ones I'm going to make are the simplest. I feel like they're the most versatile. Anyone can actually make this, and I think it's probably the cheapest to make. So the first one would be using just regular string and threading your beads through a string and tying it. That doesn't come off. The second option is to have a removable one where you just add a clasp, and the third one would be to do the one I'm going to be making with elastic. So I pick my elastic and then I choose my beads, and that's all you're going to need for the project. I know there are many reasons young girls and women wear waist beads, but this video is strictly a DIY to use the beads as a tool for measurement. This is the variety pack I chose. It isn't the best of quality when it comes to the beads, but there is a huge variety and you can mix and match them however you'd like. You may find the odd bead that is misshapen or doesn't have a hole completely pierced through. This is the elastic cord I chose. The first thing you want to do is measure your waist, your exact waist. Where it dips in the middle, that's the waist, and that's where you want your beads to sit when you're starting out. As you wear your beads, they should gradually fall lower and lower, and that's how you know you're losing weight. After measuring your waist, leave about an inch on each side of the elastic cord just to allow room for you to knot it. So you will get one end and tie a knot in the elastic. This will be the stopping point when you start to thread your beads. Waist beads are strongly associated with celebration of femininity. There are many reasons women wear waist beads. So colors represent different things. If you want to just pick the colors that you like, that speak to you, which I did with my first set of beads, you can do that, or you can just research which beads correspond with what you want, what kind of energy you want to bring to you. You can preset a pattern or make it up as you go. All you're going to do is just thread the elastic through each bead in whatever color pattern that you'd like until you fill the whole elastic. I like the contrast between the black and the white. The black is bold and powerful, whereas white is more of a contemporary, refined, airy feel. The pack of beads cost $9.97 and the elastics were only 94 cents each. I got 4 waist beads out of the elastic. As you're beading the elastic, make sure to put it around your waist to make sure it's fitting. Once it does, you tie up the 2 ends, you snip off the excess elastic, and there you have it. Your beads are done. So all you do now is just put it on over your head, and that is it. That's where they'll stay. Of course, you have the flexibility to take them off when you want to. Waist beads are a great tool to build awareness of your body. When you've eaten too much, they will roll up, and when you start to lose weight in your midsection, they'll fall down to your hip area. That is it for this video. Please like and share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and until next time.